Hello, my name is Kinsy. So I heard that you, yes you, are in a pickle and confused whether being a lawyer is the job for you. Well, not to worry, because today my group and I will be answering three questions that might arise when you think of the word lawyer, which are: what are the roles of a solicitor and a barrister? The way in which lawyers contribute to upholding the fundamental values of the English legal system, and lastly, the attributes that lawyers should possess in order to carry out these roles effectively. Without further ado, I will be starting on what a solicitor is and what role they play in the English legal system. A solicitor is defined as someone who has a qualification of a legal practitioner and is responsible for representing and defending their clients' legal interests, as well as providing them with legal advice in different types of situations, such as divorce matters, family disputes, and many more. Solicitors perform an essential function in upholding a vital element of the rule of law. In fact, they are uniquely placed given the combination of their legal expertise and proximity to clients and their businesses to understand the pressing social, economic, and business concerns of the day. A solicitor's work is divided into two categories, which are contentious legal work and non-contentious legal work. Contentious legal work revolves around settling disputes between two or more parties and usually takes place in a court or tribunal, while non-contentious legal work relates to dealing with transactions such as sales or purchases of houses between one or more parties. In addition to that, solicitors generally guide their clients through the legal processes while also working behind the scenes to draft letters, other legal documents, gather evidence, and also negotiate with opposing solicitors. These usually fall in family matters as well as commercial matters. Ideally, a solicitor, like any other lawyer, would have to pick up some skills, such as good communication skills, as solicitors would be interacting with his or her client very frequently. Not to mention that solicitors are usually the first point of contact for clients. In relation to that, clients would prefer someone who communicates well, along with the ability to deliver their advice relating to legal matters in a way that can be understood clearly by clients. Moreover, researching skills are important as solicitors need to be well prepared with sufficient information and knowledge on relevant cases in order to advise and assist their clients. If the advice given to the clients causes them to be in a worse situation than before, it is highly likely that the solicitor's reputation will go down the drain, which results in less clients over time. Furthermore, solicitors in the English legal system are regulated by the Solicitors Regulation Authority, which is also called SRA. The SRA is responsible for creating a set of rules and principles which has to be complied with by the legal professionals in order to serve the general public. Failing to do so will result in enforcement measures such as disciplinary sanction by the SRA. In short, the main focus of the SRA is to ensure lawyers are up to the set standard. Speaking about the SRA, back in 2007, the Legal Service Act, LSA, had actually granted the SRA to issue written rebukes and impose fines up to £2,000 on individual practitioners, which is stated in the SRA Disciplinary Rules 2011, hence making the SRA more proactive in disciplinary matters. Besides that, a solicitor and a barrister are both different and yet similar in some ways. Solicitors usually perform their legal duties in an office or in a law firm, while barristers represent their clients in court most of the time. In fact, solicitors and barristers actually work together in some cases, which reaches the court. Despite the similar abilities of solicitors and barristers to represent their clients in the lower courts, it is a rare sight to see a solicitor in court, which is when a barrister comes into the picture. Additionally, when it comes to the availability to be approached by the general public, it is also an odd sight to see a barrister entertaining clients who need legal advice. Hence why solicitors usually take that role instead. Now I will pass it on to Huitia to talk more about barristers.